I'm Aaron Paris with Switchback Outdoor Safety. We're an outdoor venture company specializing in recovery equipment, trauma care, and training. In this video series, we're here with Van Do It, and we're going to explore ways to recover your vehicle should you find yourself stuck while venturing in the outdoors. Should you find your vehicle need to be recovered, we'd ask that you do a stuck assessment to safely and effectively recover your vehicle. 3 common stuck assessments are: number 1, IDPE, identify, decide, plan, and execute. Number 2, STOPA, stop, think, observe, plan, and act. Number 3, OODA, observe, orient, decide, and act. Each of these will get you from point A to point B to recognize the hazards that are associated with the recovery, identify the appropriate recovery method, and safely execute your plan.
There are 4 types of vehicle recovery. Number 1 is an in-field repair. This includes dead batteries, flat tires, and other mechanical issues. Number 2 would be a vehicle-to-vehicle recovery, utilizing tow straps or kinetic energy ropes. Number 3 is a self-recovery where you would use your traction boards or your winch in numerous configurations. And number 4 is using a high lift jack.
In this video, we're going to show you how to do a tow recovery. We will be utilizing a bridle, soft shackle, tree saver, which is also a tow strap. We'll also be utilizing the hard shackles that are attached to the bumper of the casualty vehicle. In a 2-vehicle recovery utilizing a tow, we need to determine how far the recovered vehicle needs to move forward so that the recovering vehicle will not pull any further than necessary. In this recovery, the casualty vehicle will be pulled to this location where it is in a flat surface and off an incline. When the vehicle reaches this point, the recovering vehicle will know to stop. We have 2 drivers who are going to operate the vehicles, and we're going to talk through that with them. Nick, once you grab the bridle, Emily, why don't you get the recovery strap? All right, Nick, go ahead and take the hard shackle off there. We're going to thread the bridle through the hard shackle into the bow shackle end, and then go ahead and reinsert the screw pin back in. The purpose of the bridle is to share the load between the 2 anchor points. And also it allows, as we get an indirect pull, it allows the strap to stay in line. All right, Emily, if you would, take the bridle and insert it through the eyelet of one end of the strap. And then you're going to connect that to the other hard shackle. Insert the bridle into the hard shackle, replace the pin. Now we can take the tow strap and stretch it towards the recovering vehicle. Now we can back the recovering vehicle towards the casualty vehicle. Emily, in this portion of the recovery, you're going to be in the driver's seat of the recovering vehicle. Nick, you'll assist Emily backing up. And do you have any questions?
Nope.
Questions?
Negative.
All right, let's do this.
Driver ready?
Driver ready.
All right, go ahead and proceed backwards, straight back.
And make sure we're not between the vehicles, just in case there becomes an issue. We want to make sure we're separated from that. So to connect the vehicle to the tow strap, we're going to utilize a soft shackle to this hitch receiver recovery point. Nick, would you go ahead and hook this soft shackle up? And remember to rig the soft shackle as designated on the rigging notes of the soft shackle. Remember, now that the vehicles are connected, the line is live and we don't want to cross over it. All right, Nick, why don't we have Emily come back and check your rigging just to make sure both of you feel comfortable with the way it's set up.
All right, Emily, come on back here and check my rigging for me.
All right, Emily, you want to make sure you check the connecting points at your vehicle all the way back to the casualty vehicle and make sure that nothing's missing or nothing's tangled or twisted. All right, Nick, why don't you go ahead and get in the vehicle, go ahead and turn it on, and then Emily, you'll go back to your vehicle, and I'll get out of the way so that we can get this line taut and then begin the recovery. Excellent. All right, Nick, you're gonna go ahead and put your vehicle in drive and keep your foot on the brake and then remove the emergency or parking brake. Emily, you're gonna put your vehicle in drive, take your foot and place it on the brake, and then take off the emergency brake on your vehicle. And then the both of you are going to communicate when each of you are ready. Emily, you're going to need to pull the slack out of the line, and Nick, you're going to advise her when that's happened.
All right, Emily, I'm ready. Go ahead and pull forward very slowly.
Got it.
Getting tight, slow down. There.
Great job, guys. It looks good. So at this point, we're going to begin to actually pull the vehicle forward.
I am ready.
And keep pulling, Emily, until we get the front of that van up onto the flat like we talked about. You've got about another 7-8 feet.
Got it.
Good job, Nick. Make sure you not to run over your tow strap as she stops. Excellent job, guys. Vehicle's recovered. Hey, great job on that recovery, guys. That was well done, and you guys communicated excellently. So at this point, we can take the recovery equipment apart, and then we can go hit the trail.
All right, sweet.
Sounds good.
All right. Thanks for watching. We hope this was helpful for you. If you'd like to see more videos like this, follow the channel, and we'll see you next time.